This video is to go over to summarize Investigation 1C, which is geometry software. So we use two geometry software, which is Geometry Sketchpad in the lab, and also we used geometry software in the calculator, TI Inspire CXCAS. And the term that we should remember is congruent, which means exactly the same. So you can use the segment AB is congruent to segment BC. Can we use that way? No, that's equal. The congruent means the shape. Well, we're going to go over those later on the course, so don't be picky about it right now. Angle ABC, these are the notation. Instead of writing spelling out angle ACB, we just simply can use this notation saying that that's the angle. So we constructed points and constructed segments, array, line. Segment, you have two endpoints. An array, you only have one endpoint. In line, you have no endpoints at all, so you just keep going on and on. And we also constructed circle, clicking the circle button, and we made unmessable figures so that no matter which vertex you pulled, rectangle stays rectangle or things like that. In order to actually do those, you really have to know what the property of those figures. For example, if you just draw rectangle with full line segment and make it look like rectangle, if you remember, if you pull this one vertex, it's not going to be rectangle. So what we did was we draw segments first, and then we drew two perpendicular line. Sorry, it doesn't go that way. Okay? And then we took one point, and then we took another perpendicular line to this line, and then we plot the points. So now we got 4 points, and we connect it together, and we hide everything else so that we get rectangle. And that way we could make a unmessable figure. If you pull one of those figures, that the figure gets bigger and smaller, but rectangle stays rectangle. And also we drew perpendicular. We learned how to draw perpendicular line and parallel lines, and also we did midpoints. If you just press Ctrl M at the same time, both calculator or Geometry Sketchpad, you could easily plot midpoints. And also we measure lengths, angles, and sums and ratio by clicking measure, calculate, and we get the box, and then you click this, and then you plus, and we did those things. That is about it.